person who owns the business should never be the tactician. Your job should be to elevate yourself to being the strategist, to work on the big issues, but you can't do that until you bring quality people below you, and the denominator of your growth is not going to be you by yourself. It's going to be your ability to bring people who are actually better than you in their respective functions. And this presupposes two different realities.
I agree with some shades of change. I love being a tactician, and I love knowing how every function of everything I do works on my company. I don't like to have to trust it to somebody else's opinion. I need to know a little bit. I love the old Star Trek, Captain Kirk says, there's not a captain that does not know every detail of the workings of his ship. You should have to be in control of it all, but you should know something. It helps. People can't come in and charge me anything when I know what it's worth. However, you should hire people greater than you, under you, to carry it. For me, I'm strategic. My strength is strategy. I have business partners, and I let them, they love to jump out there and be all in there, and they'll be in the cameras and they'll be in front of everybody. I can hide in the back. I don't need to be seen. I like to know that the inner workings are working the way they're supposed to work. So even though you don't want to be the total tactician, you should know as much as you need to know about your business. And the more you know about it, the better you will make sure it works and the more money you will make. I believe that you should hire people better than you, under you. But I also believe you should know as much about your business and how it works as possible, from financial down to the smallest detail. That's my belief. He has his. You pick the one you like best. You ready? Let's grow.